Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making air fryer catfish. Preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees. You will need 2 catfish fillets, 1 cup of cornmeal, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of mustard, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, and cooking spray. In a small bowl, combine your black pepper, salt, and Cajun seasoning, then mix until well combined. Make sure you have cleaned and dried your catfish fillets, then place them in a large bowl. Now add your mustard and generously coat each fillet. Now generously season your fish with your seasoning mixture. If you would like a printable version of this recipe, along with other great recipes, please visit my website at soulfoodcooking101.com. I have provided a link in the description below. In a shallow dish, add your cornmeal and flour. Now whisk until well combined. Dredge the catfish in your cornmeal mixture, then place them on a wire rack. Lightly spray your fish and air fryer with your cooking spray, then preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees. Place your catfish in a preheated air fryer, then allow it to cook for 15 minutes or until it has an internal temperature of 145 degrees. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps